Welcome to Best Productly. Five Best Chest Freezer in 2020. We are going to check out top 5 best chest freezer in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this chest freezer, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5.
Midea WHS129C1 Single Door Chest Freezer, 3.5 cubic feet, white. Mechanical control with adjustable thermostat from -12 to -28 degrees, great for storing frozen food, ice cream, ice, etc. Contains one hanging wire storage basket. Hinge-style door remains open from 45 to 75 degree angles. External product dimensions: 33.5 inches L x 22.2 W x 20.59 H. Full 1-year/compressor 2-year warranty.
Top 4.
Della 5.2 cubic feet chest freezer with basket, power indicator light, white. 5.2 cubic feet capacity provides room for you to stock up on all your family's favorites. Manual defrost is quick and simple thanks to the built-in drain. Convenient top loading offers easy loading and unloading. Exterior temperature control allows you to adjust the freezer's temperature without having to open the lid. Compact design makes it easy for you to use almost anywhere in the home. Overall dimension: January 2nd 21, L, x March 4th 29, W, x March 4th 32, H.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3.
Arc the King 7 cubic feet chest freezer, black. Easy clean interior plate is much easier to clean than typical silicone aluminum plates. Removable storage basket offers flexibility to organize and store your favorite foods quickly and with ease. Removable gasket: keep your fridge clean and hygienic with a gasket that's easy to remove and clean. Recessed handle with simple lines. This modern design will suit any kitchen.
Top 2.
Avanti CF24QOW 2.4 chest freezer, white. Single flip-up lid for easy access. Integrated handle. Defrost drain. Removable storage basket.
Top 1.
7.1 cubic foot chest freezer, black. 7.1 cubic foot chest freezer with adjustable thermostat control. Power on indicator. Front controls allow for easy temperature adjustments. Holds approximately 135 pounds of frozen food. Easy access defrost drain. Includes wire basket for easy storage.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.